literally only boiled water in this thing twice. And look at it. What is that? What is that discoloration? And it doesn't help that it's clear and you can see it right through. It doesn't look new at all. I thought it was a good buy in terms of the color, but not with this discoloration. This is, I don't like this.
Es muy práctica y fácil. La temperatura. Eso es cuestión de segundos.
Looks cool, very easy to use, you know. Fantastic.
This product was okay. I like the way it heats up and it's all ready for me, etc. The problem that I have is having to press the button to get it to unlock when it is time to use it. As you see, it's supposed to just pop open. I literally pressed it the other day 75 times. And once it's open, you press the button too, and you kind of look at a little closure piece and you're wondering what is hanging it up. That's how many times it took. No joke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 times. That's kind of ridiculous. So whoever the manufacturer was probably needs to go back and figure out why this little thing here continues to get stuck, because it doesn't go in any further. If you press this and try to push further in, no, it doesn't. Down below where it connects, there's nothing here that's feeling like it's hanging it up. That piece doesn't come out, it's not loose or anything, so it makes no sense. FYI, other than that, the heating portion of it works great. It's just kind of annoying when you want to go fast. So this is a review of my tea kettle pot. So once you plug it in and you place this down, it'll beep. And then you got to turn it on. These are the different levels for heating it up. These are different colors. So if you press this right button, it'll go to each one. This is for my coffee. If you press it one more time, it'll go to red to 212 degrees. But I don't, this is hot enough for my coffee. And then you just sit and wait for it to heat up. Once it heats up, it'll beep. And then it doesn't take long at all. But you have to have minimum water in here, right here. Mine's a little bit below that, but it's fine. It's not gonna hurt it. As long as the water is above the little heating element that's in here, which is over here. It doesn't really, I mean, I guess it does get hot to the touch down here, but I love this thing. Let's see if it'll beep before this video ends. Anyway, like I was explaining, this is not big enough for your hand to go in there to clean it when it's obviously not hot. So you have to stick like a brush. I use this brush down there to clean it. But see, it's bubbling already. And then it'll beep. There it goes, it's done. And then you can take it off, and when you put it back on, it usually beeps. I don't know why it didn't beep this time. Let me see if it does right now. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't beep, I can't remember. But it'll keep it warm, I think for like 30 minutes. It's a great little kettle pot, I love it.
Okay, it's boiling. I lost the video of me taking it out the box, but this is the part that I can do my infusion teas, which I love. I always have loose teas, so this works well for me. That's why I chose this one. And it has the little pan, don't touch, because it's hot. It's getting on the brew. And it's working! Yeah, it's working. So, it does good. It takes a little minute to heat up, and it switches off. Yeah, I'm good with it. I love me some Craftman. That's what I can say. Their kettles and products and some of their microwaves and stuff are good products. Thank you for my kettle, because I don't know what I would have done. I was like stranded without my kettle.
My only complaint about this Chefman is how much it beeps. You put it on here, it beeps. Turn it on, it beeps. You want to select a different temperature, it beeps. And it beeps when it reaches the desired temperature. Go. See? You know, so while it does its job very well, I think Chefman could make it so that you can decide if you want the beep to beep or if you want to turn it down. But right now I called them and there is no way to stop it from beeping.
Just got it today. I gotta do this and squeeze the button and it opens. Otherwise, it doesn't open.
Okay guys, so let me show you this kettle that I bought. I'm just turning it on. I filled it water in this. Depending on the water level, it will take some time to heat, maybe 3 to 5 minutes.